Welcome back to Bobby Talk! Okay, so we have a binder for the Constitution and Bobby's. I told you to go wait outside.
I'm not.
Just go through the room and go like, tie your shoe, okay? You gotta learn to do that.
I want to tie my shoe, I guess.
Now I'm just waiting for the collar. Hand. Yeah. Oh. That's done. Hello?
Hello.
Oh. Is this the buyer?
Yeah, of course. You have the product.
Maybe. How much you willing to pay?
I will give you 1.7 million.
7 million? That's cheap stuff.
Okay, how much?
How does 1 billion sound?
It's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
Why can I also hear you through the wall?
What do you mean?
Okay. Sorry for questioning you. Okay, so are you gonna come by and pick it up? Okay. Just bring the money. You still there? Okay. I'm picking up now.
No, I'm hanging up.
Okay. What? Does the power just go out or? No! The Constitution! There's no money! Let's go get this guy.
Yeah. What? That actually chasing me.
Get him, Jeffrey! Oh, wait. We should cut the cameras. Oh, yeah, so I disposed of him properly.
Why is there a dead body under the table?